Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my rolling 10 project pan update. I'm a little late on this, so this is technically all of the progress from September, but it's also now going to be the progress from the beginning of October. Typically I do try to upload these at the beginning of every month, that way I can tell you how I did the month previous, but again, a little late. If you're new to these though, this is my year-long project pan where I take 10 items and I roll through items as I finish them or hit pan on them. So I always have 10 products going at any given time. My ultimate goal this year, I believe, is to finish 22 makeup items, and right now we're sitting at 8 items are finished, so I got a lot of work to do before the end of the year, but hopefully today's update will show that we are a little bit closer to hitting that goal. So the first product that I want to talk about is my Milani bronzer. This bronzer has been in since the very beginning of the year, and we are making pretty good progress on it. I had to repress it, so it is a bit crumbly in here, and I did end up adding other brown makeup products to it, like another eyeshadow. I added a different contour color because I was having hard pan issues, and that did help the hard pan, but it did make it kind of crumbly in here. So little bits of it fall out on occasion, which is why it kind of looks like the surface of the moon in there. Over the last month, I used it 19 times, bringing my yearly total to 141 uses out of this guy. Just wow. Just a lot. That is a lot of use out of a bronzer. There is still so much product in here though. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this before the end of the year, but I think we'll be really close. I mean, I feel really good. I don't know if I don't finish this by the end of the year, if I'm gonna keep it. This might be something that gets decluttered because like it's a finicky product. The packaging's broken. I've had to, you know, repress it into something that, you know, to make it kind of work. Maybe I won't declutter it. Maybe I'll scrape it into another pan. I have some empty like face palettes. I could scrape this in and use it up that way. That way I can get rid of this packaging. This packaging's really broken packaging, y'all. Annoying. Next item is another one that's been in since the beginning of the year, and another one that has been repressed and redone so many times, mainly because I've dropped it, and that's my Pixie Duo. This is like a highlight blush combo in the color, it was originally in the color Peach Honey, but if you're looking to buy this, you can't because I ended up putting like extra eyeshadows in it, and it's like a Franken color now. I do really like it. I have it on my cheeks today mixed with another blush, and it's just like a really pretty natural corally pink blush now. I do like it. It is quite crumbly as well because of how many times it's been repressed, but steady progress on this. I used it 10 times over the last month, bringing my yearly total to 42 uses out of this. So not the best, but I'm not doing horrible with blushes this year. If you guys have been here all year, then you know I've finished multiple blushes already this year, which is an accomplishment all on its own. So I don't feel bad about where I'm at. It just does suck that I don't have more progress to show on that. The next item is something that I am wearing on my lips today, and that is a BH lip gloss. This is from the So Extra line, and this is the color Caffeinated, which is like this opaque pink color. We are really close to the bottom, less than halfway now, so making pretty steady progress on that. Should be pretty easy to finish this one as long as I remain diligent for the rest of the year. I used this only 5 times over the last month, bringing its yearly total, or how long it's been in this project, to 15 uses, so not bad, but these tubes look deceptively big. I don't think there's a lot of product in these. These came as a duo set, and the other lip gloss I have is also in another project, and yeah, they've been really easy to kind of get through. So don't feel too worried about that one. The next item is this eyeliner. This is from the brand Appeal, and this is the color Forest Green. It's just a dark green gel eyeliner. It's really, really pretty. Really easy to use. It's super creamy and just, again, a treat to use. I love it. I do find that this smears on me a good bit though, because it's still blazing hot here. I wish it was cooler. This would be perfect for around Christmas, at Thanksgiving. I probably will do a Thanksgiving eye look using this and Christmas because it's just really pretty, but it does smear on me. I have hooded lids, and so anything that doesn't like set just smear, so that's why I haven't used it quite as much. I don't really like having green eyeliner smearing all over my eyeballs throughout the day if I can help it. So I haven't used it quite as much because again, it's still so hot here. I'm sweating, you know, or I'm just moist. So haven't used it quite as much as I would like. Over the last month, I used it 8 times, bringing my yearly total to 32 uses out of that eyeliner. The next item is another item that is on my lips right now, and that is the Animal Crossing lip tint from Colourpop. This one is in the color Orange Cutie. I finished its counterpart already in this project, so we rolled this guy in because that's it. That's all we have. That's all she wrote. That's it. Over the last month, I've used it 5 times, not including today, so 6 times. And that brings our yearly total to 6 because I did roll it in last update. So making pretty good progress with this. I think this will also be easy to finish before the end of the year. Not worried at all. Moving into one that should have been done this update, but then I took it out of my makeup bag and put it somewhere and it just sat there for the whole month for the most part. I did end up using it 13 times, which was the beginning part, until this very end part, I haven't been using it because it was just sitting where it wasn't supposed to be. And that's my Wet n Wild Bare Focus Blush Powder. Again, broken packaging. And as you guys can see, it has been repressed right here in the center. This should be easy to be finished. I mean, this should be easy for me to finish up. I am upset with myself. It would have been done, this update, if I had just kept it in my makeup bag. So I'm gonna immediately throw that over here into my makeup container. The next item is my eye primer, which I don't have in this room because I let my daughter play with it and it's disappeared. It's probably rolled under my couch somewhere, so I'll try and find it. But I ended up using that 7 times, which brings the yearly total to 7. Following that is my highlight that I rolled in last month, which is from the Smashbox Trio. The shade I rolled in is the silver shade in this, and as you guys can see, I have hit pan on it already because this has been repressed. This has been something I've been trying to pan and finish for a while, but I repressed it and it has pan in it. I used it 7 times over the last month to get that, and that is all the use we've had so far because I rolled it in last month, and I feel really good about it. I think this will be really easy to get out as well. I'm basically using like a big powder brush like this, and I just pick up product and then smear it all over my face before I put on like my bronzer and my blush and stuff to give me like a lit from within kind of look. And it works really well to use it up quickly. So that's how I'm using that one and why I've made such good progress so quickly. And then the last item, it's somewhere. It's my Benefit Brow, which I showed in my Shop My Stash. So you guys know the logo has been written off and all of that, but there's no way to like look at that and tell progress, so I'm not gonna try and go find it. As for uses, I've used it 20 times in the last month, which is the yearly total as well because I rolled it in last month. I don't think that one would be hard to finish. I use it basically every day or close to every day. I even do it on days where I don't do a full face of makeup because I like something in my eyebrows. So 20 uses out of that guy, pretty good. I definitely think that one will also be gone before the end of the year. So again, not worried. I mean, this is like smooth confidence happening in this video. I'm not worried, you guys. This is all gonna be great. And that, guys, is the entire update. As you guys can see, nothing was finished for today's video, but I have a lot of products really close. So I feel pretty confident. There's like, what, 5 products that are close to being done or will be super easy to be done. So I'm hoping my goal for next month is to have at least 3 items out of here. And then I think I'll feel a little bit more confident, even though then I still have like over half of the amount to hit. I would have to finish every single item in December to hit my goal for the end of the year, but you know, smooth confidence over here. It's smooth confidence. I got this, it's fine. There should be 2 more updates for this before the finale. I will try to update at the beginning of November and then at the beginning of December and then do my finale right at the end of December before all of the new project pans start. So I do have a little bit to go before, you know, this is all over. Send me all of the love and encouragement, please, and thank you. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to hit that thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like project pans. That's a lot of what I do here. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely hit that subscribe button. And remember, there is always magic to be found, and I hope that means I see all of you in my next video. Bye!
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright